Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody that I've been helping out on this cribbage board thanked me for helping him, and he was saying it took like 44 minutes to run. I just went out and did a time test, didn't run it, I just told the laser to do it, and then it gives me a time. This board, if you engraved it all, would take 41 minutes and 41 seconds at 100 power at 50 speed, so you would go deep. This one that's made up of hairlines, so you do a combo job and vector line these lines, and then it would still have to engrave these holes. Would do it in 16 minutes and 35 seconds. So if you were doing a lot of them, or really just even one, that'd save you a lot of time. Now this you would run your job out of focus. So these lines are not, these are a 1/4 inch thick. These are not, because they're out of focus. So I just went out to the shop and I ran these, and I ran this engraved. It took 2 minutes and 22 seconds to engrave that little square. This one I took and went to the contour tool, and I contoured just 6 times at 0.04, and I ran it out of focus, and it only took 24 seconds. Now, this one is the engraved job. Good, flat, clean bottom, but good, sharp, clean edges. Here is the vector engrave, and it's only 6 steps, and it's clean edges, but the bottom, it looks pretty good. It looks unusual. It looks like the router did it, like in the first board. If we go to that board, of course, these have been sanded, but you can tell where the router did and did not do. It actually has a little tile. I'm not suggesting you do this, but if you want to save time and really kind of wear and tear on your laser going back and forth, this would work. Now, on this job, to be honest, the 16 seconds, I only had 2 lines, and it was out of focus, and it just did 2 lines. So with the 6, like in this picture, it took all the meat away, but just kind of at a, like almost like a router bit would do. So it's personal preference. I don't really know about this game and what sets on here. Maybe just the 2 line, just marking it with 2 lines, and you could have, gone through here and maybe contoured just this shape. I don't really know if the contour will work, but on that distance we'd probably only need 3, and that didn't work because it's made up of different lines. But you get the idea. When you're making this from the other videos, if you'd contour, you'd save a lot of laser time. Vector engraving is, I do it all the time. Not particularly in this case, but this would work. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.